From grassroots programs to global competitions, sports leaders are calling for stronger support systems to help shape the country's next generation of champions. The details in this report by Mobile Journal, Denise Valdesancho.
Building champions doesn't start on the podium. It starts at the grassroots. This was the key message delivered by sports executive Ricky Vargas during a leadership event organized by the Junior Chamber International or JCI held yesterday in Makati City. In the event, top Filipino athletes were honored, including Olympians Yumir Marshall, Nesty Patecio, Ira Villegas, and professional basketball player Calvin Oftana.
We must build champions before the podium. And when we say invest, we do not mean giving them sponsorship after they win. Dito pumasok ang grassroots. They could use guidance from experience like yourself on how to navigate life outside the game.
For national athletes like Calvin Oftana, that support from sport leaders, fans, and the community plays a crucial role in keeping morale high, especially as they gear up for their upcoming competitions.
I think it boosts us na sa mga moral namin, siyempre, if may suporta ka from them, lalo na from us na kailangan talaga yun. Talagang kakayod kami every time may game, and just so happen na dito yung laro this coming FIBA Asia qualifiers, and their support so much for us.
Meanwhile, for Olympic boxer Yumir Marshall, the event served as an emotional reminder of his journey, from his early days in the sport to representing the country on the world stage.
Nung nagsasalita ko si Boss Ricky, parang nabalik ko ako sa nakaraan, yung time na nagsisimula pa lang ako. And then, parang patuloy yung luha ko kasi na-touch talaga ako sa sinabi niya.
Marshall also took the opportunity to encourage young Filipinos who dream of becoming future Olympians, reminding them that support systems are now in place.
Sa mga kabataan po ngayon, nangangarap na balang araw maging isang Olympian, ibang sports pa na gusto nilang salihan. Patuloy lang po kayo sa inyong pangarap. Nandito po, meron po tayong mga sports leader na sumusuporta yung LGU natin.
Senator J.V. Ejercito, also a member of JCI, underscored how sports has the power to unite the nation.
Well, it's very nice because every time there's sports activities or every time we have athletes who excel, all the nation is behind. No, it's nice to see that at least even for that moment, the whole nation is united. No, well, would like to just continue to push everyone, to encourage everyone to continue engaging in sports, promoting sports, and supporting sports.
Kapatid Denise Valdesancho, we are One News.